So in today's class, we discuss about the Simpson one-third rule. So what is the Simpson one-third rule? So understand the meaning of practical applications of numerical integration. Use numerical integration when the function is known only through tabulated data. So this is trapezoidal rule. And Simpson one-third rule. Next, Simpson 3/8 rule. Okay. So suppose we need to evaluate integral a to b fx dx. The formula for fx is not known. Okay. The data is available only at selected points and the exact integration is random. So if there is a some condition that if fx dx is given, fx is very difficult to solve and the values between a to b given at some specific points. Okay. Then we apply these three types of the numerical integration formulas. Okay. Now, Simpson one-third rule. So what is the formula for Simpson one-third rule? Integral this is the formula integral a to b fx dx h by 3 y naught plus yn plus 42. 142 is 4. It contains odd number y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus so on plus 2 times y2 plus y4 plus dot dot dot. Okay. So you just put these values. H, what is the value of H? Difference between these numbers is 2, 2. So 2 by 3, 4 plus 3 plus 4 times y1. This is y0, this is y1, this is y2, this is y3, this is y4. So y0 plus y4 is this, 4, y1 is 5 plus y3 is 5 plus 2 times y2, y2 is 6. So this becomes 2 by 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 5, 5 plus 10, 10 into 4, 40, plus 2, 6 are 12. So this is 2 by 3. 7 plus 40 plus 12 means 59. So this is 39.33. So this is the answer. Okay. Now we apply the Simpson 3/8 rule. So what is the formula for Simpson 3/8 rule is? Integral a to b fx dx is equal to 3h by 8. Y0 plus yn plus 3 plus 2. This is y3, y6 plus y9 plus so on. And here is y1 plus y2 plus y4 and so on. Okay. So this is the formula. This here we take the multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9. Here we take the multiple of remaining multiples. So 1, 2. Here we take 3. So here we take 4. Then here 5 by 5 and so on. So 3h, what is the value of h? Difference between these numbers is 1. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. So this is 3 by 8. Y naught is 2 plus ym. This is y naught, y1, y2, y3 plus 3. Y1 plus y2 means 3 plus 3. That is 3 by 8. 2 plus 3 means 5 plus 3, 3, 6. 6, 3 is 18. This will pass 115 by 8. So the chapter is 3, 3 is 9, 3, 3 means 69 by 8. Not something. So 0.6. Okay. So this is the. How to choose the correct rule? So use trapezoidal rule when data is simple, when quick approximation is enough, when number of intervals is not suitable for Simpson's rules. Okay. So if data is simple, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quick approximation is if the number of intervals is not suitable for Simpson's rules. Because in the Simpson's rules, we have some rules for selecting the length of the intervals. So that's why if there is some rule is not applicable in the data, then we apply this trapezoidal rule. Simpson one-third rule. So Simpson one-third rule is when data points are equally spaced. When data points are equally spaced and the number of subintervals is even, means if the sum number of subintervals is even, the number of subintervals is even. Simpson 3 by 8 rule, when data points are equally spaced and when the subintervals is a multiple of 3. Subintervals is multiple of 3. Rule selection. Again, this is trapezoidal rule. Simple approximation. Simpson one-third rule. Better accuracy, even intervals. And Simpson 3/8 rules when intervals are in multiples of 3. So these three requirements are necessary for the trapezoidal Simpson one-third and Simpson 3/8 rule. Okay. So trapezoidal rule simple. Simpson one-third rule. If the intervals are given in the even number of sub-intervals is given. And when intervals are in multiple of 3. Now we discuss about some questions, recitation questions. 1 minute. So this type of the questions. It is given here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And this is 47, 58, 64, 65, 61, 52, and 38. So we apply the Simpson one-third rule. Okay. Estimate the time taken to travel 60 meters. Okay. So integral a to b fx dx is equal to h by 3 y naught plus y. This is y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. So y0 plus y6 plus this 4 plus 2. This. So here multiple of 2. So this is y2 means 64, y2 plus y4. And here odd number y1 plus y3 plus y5. So h, what is distance between h? 10, 10. So this is 10 by 3. Y naught? Y naught means 47 plus 38 plus 4. Y1 means 58 plus 65 plus y5 means 52 plus 2 times y2. This is y2 means 64 plus y4 means 61. Okay, if you solve this one, so this is 10 by 3. We have evaluate this one. 1 minute. This is 10 by 3. This is 7, 15, 4, 3, 7, 1 मिनट 85 प्लस 4, 8, 5, 13 तो 15, 7, 5, 11, 11, 5, 16, 17, 4, 1, 5, 6, 6, 12 प्लस 4, 5, 20, 4 से 28 तो 30, 4 का 34, 700 प्लस 8, 30, बेगुनी सारे 5, 10, 15, 18, 5, 23, subdividing the segment equals. So this is 19 3, 3, 3 are 9 and so this is the 3, 4, 5. So this is your answer. So by this you can easily solve. Similarly, this using this question you can solve an automobile testing engineer is conducting a controlled road test to study the acceleration behavior of a car. An automobile testing engineer is conducting a controlled road test to study the acceleration behavior of car. The car starts from rest and its velocity is recorded at equal time intervals using a speed sensor. Since the exact velocity time constant is unknown, the engineer uses the trapezoidal rule to estimate the total distance traveled during the test. The recorded velocity data are using the trapezoidal rule. Suppose dt denotes the distance traveled by a car from a fixed point. So the Distance traveled from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 10 seconds. D of t is equal to dt is equal to h by 2. This is velocity, okay? Velocity. Suppose this is V0, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V0, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. So first and last point, first we add V0 plus V5 plus 2 times remaining points means V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V. So H, what is the H? The engineer recorded the speed of a car by a sensor by with the difference of 2 seconds. Okay, difference of 2 seconds. He calculated the first reading at 0 second. This is evaluated at 0 initial position. Car is in rest position. At 2 second, the velocity of the car is 4. Then the time is at 4 second. The speed of the is 10. Okay. So this is the theoretical approach of understanding the question, that what is the meaning of this data. So this is 2 by 2, 0 plus 30 plus 2 times 4 plus 10 plus 18 plus 25. Okay. So this becomes 2 by 2, 1. This is 30 plus 2 times 49. This is 30 plus 98. So this is 8. So this is your required answer. So this is your required answer. This is question from the Lagrange's theory. So you for appearing in the exam, you must solve each question of the tutorial. Okay, so if you solve the questions from the tutorial, you get good marks. Okay. There is a large collection of the questions of the tutorial questions. So you can easily um, construct these questions. Now, one question is from the Simpson 3 by 8 rule. So, in a mechanical engineering motion study, a particle is observed to slow down as it travels further along its path. Velocity readings are recorded at equal spatial intervals. To determine the travel time, engineers apply Simpson 3 by 8 rule, which is suitable when the number of intervals is multiple of 3. So, number of intervals is multiple of 3. So, we apply the formula here. Integral a to b fx dx is equal to 3h by 8 f naught plus fn plus 3 times plus 2 times 2 times means y of f3 plus f6 plus so on. Here f1 plus f2 plus f4 and so on. This is f naught, f1, f2, f3, f4, f5, f6. So we use them here. 3 h, what is the value of h is 10 10 differences there. So this is 10 by 8. F naught is 47 plus 58. 47 first and last 38 plus 3 plus 2. F3 is 65 and no one is here. Okay. Now 3. F1 is 58 plus F2 is 64 plus F4 is 61. So if we calculate here, we get 30 by 8. This is 85 plus 3. छः पाँच के से 70 नहीं कम आ गए 183 plus 130. Okay, so if we add, this is 30 by 8. So this is 85 plus 3 3 is 9. This is 249 plus 130. Okay, so this is 30 by 8. So this is this is so this is 30 and 58. So this is 0 3 24 now 3 बंदूगा. So this is your answer. So in this class, I have solved many problems related to the Simpson one-third rule. What is the summary? Summary in this video, we have solved the Simpson. We have solved the trapezoidal rule. First, second one is Simpson one-third rule, and third one is Simpson 3 by 8 rule. So, and I will describe, I have also described some their related formulas and some of the questions. So in the next class, I will describe about the solution of numerical solution of ODE. So in the next class, we discuss about the numerical solution of. So there are 3 lectures. Euler's modified, and RK method, and Euler's method, and Euler's modified method. So this is your next week.